This is Frank Gonteski on board the 2021 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. This boat is equipped with the 350 Verado in black, which matches the black hullside colors. For the interior, we have a white ivory. For the flooring, we do have SeaDek on the swim platform that works its way into the cockpit. Co-captain and captain chair do reverse, which I'll show you right now. Here you go. Really nice cockpit here. Spacious. Storage underneath all the seats. Ski tow bar. Sports tower. Up at the helm, we do have the Simrad touchscreen display. Helm wheel. Fusion stereo system. Trim tabs. Digital throttle. On the port side, we have our head. Upgraded vacuum flush head. Sink with cabinetry. Center walkthrough. Here's our filler cushion for the bow. Storage in the floor. There's a table for the bow as well. Windlass. Give you a shot back of the boat. So again, 2021 Sea Ray 270 SDX OB equipped with the 350 Verado. This boat is located in Brick, New Jersey. Come visit us today. Thank you.